Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, On the Road Travels. Thank you so much for watching if this is your first time. And today I just wanted to share this very special video. I was actually not expecting to capture this, but I had pulled over on the side of the road, going down this particular road to get my directions set on my phone. And then all of a sudden I heard a helicopter. And so I was like, oh my goodness, where am I? And so taking a look, it looks like that's an Evac helicopter. So then I did notice after looking around that I was near a hospital. So this is where they have their takeoff and their landing, most likely for medical supplies and medical things that they have going on there. So I was so fortunate to get this video, and I wanted to share it with you. And so I do hope you enjoy watching this as much as I did. And now if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the description box below, and I will definitely respond. So enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching.